Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Friday, November 17th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. UAE-based Air Chateau International plans to buy up to 100 of Archer's Midnight eVTOL aircraft with an approximate value of $500 million. Air Chateau plans to own and operate air taxi services in the region using the aircraft. Archer recently announced plans to commence air taxi operations in the UAE in 2026. Pioneering cargo drone company Dronomics and its largest investor, the UAE's Strategic Development Fund, have signed a term sheet to set up a joint venture to manufacture Dronomics Black Swan cargo drones in Abu Dhabi's new smart and autonomous vehicle industries cluster. The facility will be the first serial production plant for the Dronomics Black Swan aircraft and will be designed to fulfill global demand. An Abu Dhabi Global Market and Mohammed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence have signed an MOU to develop AI-based technological tools designed to assist in regulatory compliance tasks within the financial services sector. The partnership aims to develop cutting-edge regulatory and supervisory technology. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.